Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to our online learning. Hope you enjoyed our previous lessons. My name is Teacher Rose. We are going to start by asking ourselves, when is today? When is today, children? Can you remember? I can't hear you. Today is on Friday. How many days make a week? There are 7 days in a week. Children, let me ask you again, which month are we in? Can you remember? We are in the month of May. Thank you for those who have remembered. And again, I ask you, how many months make a year? Can you remember? We usually sing that in class. How many? I can't hear you. Somebody is saying there are 12 months in a year. So we're in the month of May. And today's date is 8th. In our previous lesson, we learned sounds. How we articulate sounds. How we read them well. In school and out of school when you're at home. If you can remember the sounds, now we are going to do syllables. Syllables are the sounds joined together to make 2-lettered words. And here they are. I want to teach you how to read this because you already know how to read the sounds very well. And I hope you read for your parents. We usually start with A. Sound A. From sound A, you remember the sound B and sound A. When you join it together, it becomes Ba. Sound K and sound A. I can hear somebody saying it. It becomes Ka. We have sound D and sound A. When you join it, it becomes Da. And this one, sound Fu and sound I, it becomes Fa. Sound G and sound A, when you join it, it becomes Ga. And this one, which sound is this? And A. So when you join it, this one is when you join it with A, it becomes we have J and A. When you join it, it becomes Ja. This one is K. When you join it with A, it becomes Ka. We have L. When you join it with A, it becomes La. We have M and A, children. We want to read 2-lettered word. Remember, when you join it, it becomes M and A, it's Ma. N and A, it becomes Na. P and A, it becomes Pa. R and A, it becomes Ra. S and A, it becomes Sa. T and A, it becomes Ta. Sound Vu and sound A, let's go back to sound T and sound A, it becomes Ta. Sound Vu and sound A, it becomes Va. Sound Wu and sound A, it becomes Wa. Sound Yi and sound I, it becomes Ya. And sound Z and I, it becomes Za. Let's go to this sound. When you join it with A, it becomes good. Now, since we have learned how to join those sounds to make syllables, can we read together? We start A, Ba, da, fa, ga, ha, ja, ka, la, ma, na, pa, ra, sa, ta, va, wa, ya, za. When you learn these syllables, it will be easier for you children even to read three-lettered words. Parents, let me just give you a rough idea on what I'm saying. If a child is able to say ba very well, when it comes to reading three-letter words, it will be easier for that child. Reason? If I add sound gu, the child will say bag, bag. And that is our next lesson when it comes to words. I was just giving you a rough idea on what is expected. Then the last one is k. If the child is able to read two-letter words, k. When I come to three-letter word for the word like cat, I'll just put the sound t. Then it becomes cat. Also, you have checked, I've put something on top like that. Says cat. Bag, bag. That's the way children learn to read as early as they are. You just introduce them to sounds, then to syllables, then to the three-lettered words. Thank you. I'm going to share with you. Our today's lesson is on page 5. There was an error saying that the lesson will be on 12. It's supposed to be 8, page 5 on syllables. Hope they will enjoy learning those words. Then they can copy our syllables and make them read all the time. It will be easier for them even as we continue reading other words. Thank you. Have a nice time. Stay safe at home. Goodbye.